Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Galaxy Buds won't pair or it has pairing issues. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do or can try is to make sure that you are connecting the Galaxy Buds right away. So Galaxy Buds cannot automatically with Samsung devices or connect automatically with Samsung devices. So you simply have to take them out of the case and wait for the connection prompt. But with other devices, you must follow the usual Bluetooth pairing protocols. So here's how you can pair your Galaxy Buds right away with the non-Samsung devices. So first, just make sure that your device's Bluetooth is on, and if your buds are outside the case, just place them back inside, then close the lid and wait for 6 seconds. And then just open the lid of the charging case, and your Galaxy Buds are now in pairing mode. So just go to your device's Bluetooth settings and then look for your Galaxy Buds on the list of the available devices, and just simply tap on it and then tap the pair, and your Galaxy Buds should be paired to your device. And then next, what you can do is to keep away from potential Bluetooth interference. So, Bluetooth interference happens when other wireless devices and physical obstacles disrupt your Bluetooth signals, causing the audio drop out. So, unstable connections or difficulty in pairing. So, if you're in close proximity to multiple wireless devices or in place like a crowded gym or office, that may be the culprit of your Galaxy Buds connection issues. So, another possible cause is that your device and Galaxy Buds are too far away or there is a wall or solid object between them. So here are several ways to minimize the risk of Bluetooth interference that causes your Galaxy Buds to not connect properly. So first, just keep your device and Galaxy Buds close to each other, and then ensure there's no physical obstacle between your device and the Galaxy Bud. You can also try turn off or keep away from other wireless devices, including other Bluetooth headphones and Wi Fi routers, when pairing your Galaxy Buds. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.